Welcome to Teaching Tech, starring the Mercedes-Benz G580 with EQ technology. This time, we're looking at the electric drivetrain and its vehicle integration. From the outside, there's no mistaking that the G580 with EQ technology is a proper G-Class. But under the bodywork, there are many differences. There are differential locks, of course, but with electronic instead of mechanical components. The vehicle generates virtual differential locks within milliseconds through precisely metered torque vectoring, which distributes torque to the wheels with the most grip. As a result, the all-new electric G-Class feels incredibly composed, agile, and maneuverable, even on extreme terrain. It is also possible to vary the distribution of torque between the individual wheels. The result is maximum traction with maximum flexibility. So, in contrast to vehicles with mechanical locks, the all-new electric G-Class always remains as agile as possible and does not lose any of its turning circle. The advanced drive concept in the all-new electric G-Class is based on 4 individually controlled electric motors mounted close to the wheels. The motors are mounted to the ladder frame and come in double packs, 2 in a housing at the front axle and 2 at the rear axle. This arrangement ensures torque is delivered whenever and wherever it's required. The electric drivetrain also enables numerous new features that are exclusive to the all-new electric G-Class, including the G-turn and G-steering. Supporting the electric powertrain are 4 shiftable gearboxes. Each motor comes with its own low-range off-road gear reduction. That's why the all-new electric G-Class has not just 1, but 2 gears as the basis for its unparalleled off-road capabilities. When the low-range off-road gear reduction is activated, the transmission ratio changes from 1 to 11 to 1 to 21, which leads to significantly higher torque, lower power load on the motor during slow off-road driving, and improved recuperation when driving downhill off-road. As a result, the vehicle exerts much less force and requires less energy when traveling uphill with low range activated. Let's talk about the centerpiece of every electric car, the battery. It has been positioned precisely between 2 longitudinal struts in the ladder frame, requiring a slight lift of the vehicle. Even so, the battery pack positioning ensures a low center of gravity, which has positive effects on the driving characteristics. The 12 battery modules are installed in 2 layers and are always kept at the optimum operating temperature by special cooling plates. To protect it from the ingress of water and dirt, the battery is encased in a torsion-resistant housing. The electric drivetrain posed special challenges for the design of the underbody plate, which must protect the battery from the physical impact of ground strikes and be as light and efficient as possible. It must also be compatible with all other vehicle functions, fit into a very small installation space, and fulfill the requirements for crash characteristics, aerodynamics, and aeroacoustics. The underbody protection is made from a carbon fiber composite material, which improves the rigidity of the plate, ensures a high level of corrosion protection, and saves weight. The G580 with EQ technology comes with an aerodynamically optimized bonnet, a new A-pillar cladding, a spoiler lip on the roof trim strip, and air curtains in the rear wheel arch extensions. These aerodynamic updates also contribute to improved noise comfort. In addition, the engineers fitted capsules around the electric motors to combat noise directly at the source. The motors, which are firmly connected to the ladder frame, are fitted with special elastomer bearings to decouple them from the passenger compartment. And there is more. New insulation materials have been used to reduce noise and vibration wherever possible, including filling body shell cavities with insulation foam. There you go. Now you know everything you need to know about the architecture of the G580 with EQ technology.